Welcome back, guys, to Joel's cooking channel. Tonight we're going to be making a new stir fry with some egg rolls on the side and some tempura cauliflower battered with the King Pao sauce. Alright guys, time to start making this wonderful creation here. I'm going to turn it on low for now. Let it heat up first. We're just using regular stir-fry vegetables this time, not the ultimate stir-fry that I was using in my earlier cooking videos. Alright, turn the heat up some more. I'm going to add some butter into the stir fry. That way it does not sear into the pan when I'm cooking it on higher heats. Putting a lid over it. That's what it looks like so far, guys. Put the butter on top so it would melt all over the vegetables. It's already steaming, guys. Yeah. You can see it steaming. Waiting for it to start sizzling. That's how I know it's really starting to cook the vegetables. I'm going to turn the heat back down so you can cook them slower. Time to turn it back down to low. Alright. It's going good so far, guys. The butter is starting to melt onto the vegetables, which is going to give it a nice flavor. We also have these chicken P.F. Chang egg rolls to go with this meal. And we do have sweet and sour sauce to go with the egg rolls. It's really good. butter's really starting to cook into the vegetables, guys, making it really savory, got a good taste. I'm going to add a tiny bit of lemon pepper. Goes good with the broccoli and the green beans especially. Then let's see what we got to add to the stir fry. We have teriyaki sauce to add to the stir fry, to give it that stir fry taste, authentic stir fry taste. I'm going to turn the heat back up a little bit so it starts cooking it more. Now it's time to add the Kung Pao tempura cauliflower. It's cauliflower battered with the Kung Pao sauce. Alright guys, for this, you're going to want to center all of the Kung Pao into one area. And for this, I'm going to use sweet and sour sauce over the Kung Pao battered tempura cauliflower. Alright guys, now this is what it looks like. It's looking really good so far. As you can tell, the vegetables are currently being steamed and being sauteed into the teriyaki sauce and the butter and the lemon pepper seasoning I added. Cauliflower is going to go good with the stir fry. You guys want to slow, kind of on medium heat cook this, because it will bake the sauce too hard into it if you cook it at too high of a temperature. So I kind of took the pan off the heat and moved it back. Alright guys, stir fry is going great. It's looking good, looking like it's going to be scrumptious cauliflower that I've added the sweet and sour sauce to. I'm going to put a lid over it for now, and we're on to making the chicken egg rolls. Alright guys, I'll be heating this up in the microwave. For about 3.5 minutes. Because I like mine a little bit more crunchy. Now we're going to go back to the stir fry. Yeah guys, the sweet and sour sauce is really getting cooked into the vegetables and the cauliflower. Giant cauliflower we have. Alright guys, one final look before I finally turn the heat off. Looking like some good stir fry for tonight. to continue to let it steam, so that way it cooks the top of the cauliflower completely, and it cooks the sauce into it too, and the top of the vegetables. I can hear the egg rolls sizzling over here. Yeah, they're gonna be good. They come out pretty crispy. Just the way I like the egg rolls. Alright guys, this splendid meal is now finished, and I'll be catching you on the next episode of Joel's Cooking Show.